Introducing Krylon Industrial's Quik-Tap for Quik-Mark. With a few easy twists, Quik-Tap allows you to get more paint out of each can. With easy disposal of empty cans in any recycling or waste bin, punctured, empty cans minimize the need for hazardous waste disposal for you and your team. Quik-Tap is ready to use in seconds and lasts for up to 130 cans. It works with the same Tallboy Quik-Mark paint, marking wand, and glove grip cap you've come to rely on. It maximizes productivity, minimizes downtime, and reduces supply runs back to the truck. For best use, it is critical to properly shake the can to mix the propellant and paint. Hold the can at the top and swing the bottom of the can in a circle until the mixing ball travels freely. Shake vertically for 30 seconds to ensure ideal mixing. It's important to clear the valve after each use. Should you have a clogged valve on a can with paint still in it, do not remove the Quik-Tap from the can. Set this can aside and put a new Quik-Tap device onto a new can and start fresh. Dispose of the clogged can as hazardous waste per local ordinances. Do not over-tighten or cross-thread the Quik-Tap device to the can. Stay tuned to the next video to hear about best practices for safety.